నీకెందుకు అది అసలు?
వినాయకుడు ఎక్కడ నేను ఇంట్లో పెట్టుకుంటా, అక్కడ తీసుకుపోతా. దేవుడితో చెప్తున్నా, తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతా.
So if we monitor, it's a big issue here, international issue. They are killing people and hacking innocent people, homes and family members. So here is another issue. They already killed my family member, more than 3 people, and these people patching some other people body into some other people body, and there are dead people searching people who are alive and their soul power is weak. They are hacking them. So TRS politicians and KCR, KTR, 90, Narasimha Reddy, Povada, Ajay Kumar is men in all. They try to kill my mother and my family members. They are attacking straight up when we are updating these messages. So people do not trust anyone from Hyderabad. Do not trust at all. And we need to defend this issue in international courts and arms. You don't even understand. We are not refugee. This is independent country. We are living in homes. And American Indian Hindu community from spaceship somewhere. These psychos where they kill no where they are, when they left this country they need some fluids from some other people body, same family descent, exactly, that's what they're saying. Why these people doing all the damn things, I don't know. The similar faces we found 3 in Khammam town, and these people very clever, rich, very psychos, sadists, murderers, criminals, ethical hackers and sex offenders. They need to see someone dying in front of the cameras and they're making money and they are run away from this country. Millions of people are in trouble now. We protected billion people with the best bishops from other country. I updated these messages to Europe, Australia, America, so people who know, who can fund to defend this issue and back up armed guards, air surveillance, and we need to trigger the people who are hacking my home and body, soul and brain, and the people who are from Hollywood studios, few of them really trying to make Tom and Jerry, similar, MOJ, TikTok, and the video. I'm not in live anywhere now, but just I'm defending this issue. So do not step in my property who don't have identity, and don't watch, listen, read. Don't read my brain. Don't control my brain. Don't hack my brain and kill Vemavarpu Muralidhar Rao and total family members. Vemavarpu Aruna, Vemavarpu Karuna, Sakshi reporters, and ETV, MaTV, HMTV, TV5, T News from Hyderabad. These people making a lot of news, and these psychos, rich psychos and billionaire, trillionaire references, hunting innocent people. Kill them all as early as possible. Do not trust anyone. Target them and kill them all. And they are wasting my time, health, wealth. Kill that Vemavarpu Muralidhar Rao, psycho, sadist, murder, criminal psycho, ethical hacker hacking my home from Khammam town Pandurangapuram temple and their homes. They live surrounding areas. Exactly. And another issue here, the neighbors are men in all. 99 TV channel and military, they are wearing military dress uniform and army uniform. These people hacking from Khammam Sri City, Prashari and their gangs. Garikipati Venkatrao is main in all, and they killed my brother-in-law in Kunavaram, near Kunavaram. So more than 10 to 50 people involved in this murder, and already I updated. how many times we are updating. So before there is a threat and they attempted murder on me when I'm updating these messages. So I'm concentrating on murderers and criminals and ethical hackers and sex offenders whoever around my home. Vemorpu Muralidhar Rao is Meninal and they are changing their geolocation, my home number into their home number. And there is a lot of nuisance here. Vemorpu Muralidhar Rao is a murderer and psycho and he is an ethical hacker and Hollywood studios. They are hacking, they are killing Hollywood studio directors, producers or actors and exactly they are living in their body. So these kind of issues happening in town now. So do not trust anyone here. Everybody speak English, everybody know English and Oxford University lecturers already notice I already updated these messages to Europe, entire Europe. So these kind of situation in Khammam town, people very jealous, people are very jealous whoever around my home. Every day we are defending like we are WWF, WWE people similar. For example, that's what I'm saying. Even they are protecting me from America, from Australia, AAP people, and America, FBI, CIA, CSI, and SWAT, and White House. Millions of complaints I updated to White House, and they are defending. There is a war going on. They are saying, but we don't like anyone around my home whoever attacking with the name of war in some other country, and they are attacking us for run away to some other world. They are living in spaceships somewhere. They are triggering people. So we don't like the people who are hurting innocent people. Do not trust anyone. They are saying anywhere on earth, if you are not doing any mistake, but we update false news against innocent. They are saying. So what kind of war is that? The terrorists are really in professional suit in somewhere in Indian Hindu community in America. Do not trust Vemorpu Muralidhar Rao. Kill that Vemorpu Muralidhar Rao and their total family members as early as possible. Vemorpu Venkana and Bodepudi Manoj Kumar, Bodepudi Shivakumar, Bodepudi Vishali, and Ujjwal Reddy and Reddy, his father, and their relatives are psychos and sex offenders and alcoholic, druggy, junkie, murderers and criminals, killing innocent people with Maya mantra. This kind of situation in Khammam town. Do not trust anyone in the Khammam town. Sometimes I'm in live and they're trying to make money with the Moj, TikTok, and killing in front of some people. They are trying to make exactly. Do not trust anyone around my home. American, Indian, Hindu community people sue order for the people more than 100 lakh crore in this issue, and the Trump already defended this issue and now new officials are in White House and someone attacking me. They are saying, oh thank you, no problem. So that's what I'm updating here. So people, uh, Australian government protected me in the morning and Joe Biden protected me in the evening. Means something. Yeah, time is now 7:37. So half an hour onwards, just there read my message and all the evidence and proof means suddenly they are attacking him even. And when I update this message, the billionaire trillionaire who run away from India, killing someone, land grabbers and bootleggers and sex offenders, murders who are selling humans and the girls, underage girls, and these people found in America even. So why that American immigration is allowing that such a people who are very clever, they don't know how to live and they are depending upon some other people and the communities, and they are updating false news from Indian media and press and TV channels. And when we update with social media, they are targeting innocent people making money. So they love killing people, they are love selling people, torturing people, and enjoying their psychiatric fun and entertainment from Sakshi from Hyderabad, Sakshi Hafiz, and Vemorpu Muralidhar Rao is Meninal, and these people are not humans. Entire towns and cities are haunted with Konidala Chiranjeevi, Konidala Pawan Kalyan, Konidala Nagendra Babu, ETV, Ma TV, HM TV, TV5, T News. straight up they are mono action, something silent skills, and they are doing mono action. We hate that actions and their dramas, and we don't want to see their cinemas even now. These kind of attitude people, if they hack us, there is a radiation. The Brahmins hacking us, there is a radiation. So Lord Shiva is defending himself sometimes, and exactly whenever you buy binding one tying one coconut there, they tried to remove the coconut even and killing people. So Melbourne is haunted with Indian Hindu community, Rizwan, Universal Institute of Technology, and Fly Abroad Consultancy, Vijay Babu Kamma is main in all, and T. Prabhakar, Sunmark Consultancy, Aditya Inkle, Samirpet, Hyderabad. These people triggering my home and my family members, and wherever the issues are updated, and these people updating my name or my picture or my video audio or pitching bugging spying and threatening with my uh, sto- they stolen my IDs, and they're threatening with stolen IDs, and they are updating false news against, and the live pitching is going on. When we update this live, when live video or audio video something, they are pitching in the same time with the Maya mantra from TTD and from Pandurangapuram Kammam town. Pandurangapuram Kammam town, a temple is haunted with Naini Narasimha Reddy and C.I. Raj Reddy, and their Reddy caste rowdyism criminal activities is going on, and Pasham Ravi Kumar is main in all. Pasham Ravi Kumar, late Pasham Ravi Kumar, and Kiran Kumar, Pasham Kiran Kumar, and Pasham Ajay Kumar, and there are more than 50 people in their family and their community. These people triggering and entire innocent people and hunting, hurting, targeting, torturing, threatening from the temples. They are hacking temple ideal, temple mini. No, no, we don't want to say if the people are not up here. People physical body is not there. They are trying to say something. We don't need to use the word what they are using. They are up here. If you use the word, that's my advice and suggestion to you. Don't, if you don't know what is virtual reality, don't use that. And they are hacking entire towns and cities, and they are making with the illusion in front of pitch temples and temple ideals. The god is active sometimes with the spells, and they are hacking when the god appear, and the power they are hacking, and they are killing towns and cities. They are attacking innocent people from Vemurpu Mulidara home, and their office from Kakinada, and from their administrative building. These people not in one position. They are traveling in virtual reality world and killing innocent people in Kammam. More than 1,000 found in my area. Every day we are updating these messages to protecting myself and protecting my family only. I'm not even talking to any neighbor here. Neighbors are really like a zombie. Suddenly, if you are coming out, they are attacking. What the hell is going on? They are making Hollywood movies, they are saying. And we found Taylor Swift, and in Melbourne, similar to the girl, one similar to the girl protected me twice, and they hacked me. They are doing, it's a big kids what they do. Suddenly they appear. The little girl, little boys or some other people don't even know what is English, what to do, what they're trying to say. When they hack, what you do. So these kind of issues happening, and I defended these issues in Melbourne into up to 2008 to 2013. Whatever happened, I defended. There is no issue in this issue, but we need to we need to claim the damages. And CA Anjali hacked my sister now. We need to defend this issue. Why they appear with the balls or something, really they know, because I need to read them what they are doing. So they are hacking my home, body, brain, and soul. I defended these issues, but I'm not accepting anyone in my body. So that's what I'm saying. So plenty of issues here. So every day, whatever I'm updating, I'm defending in the same day, or 1 week or 2 weeks or next day. When I update, there is a few people really coming from entire world, not from UAE to Pakistan. Few of them there, exactly, and Sri Lanka, and our Indians hunting our Indians. That's why I'm just away from all the issues now. So exactly, I'm a private detective here. Just it's a course in some exactly. So I'm going there trying to say I don't wanna mention anything here. Who are you means it's something really. I don't wanna hurted by anyone. I'm an Indian citizen. I'm just doing my work. Uh, I'm here to take rest and I'm protecting my family. I'm hurted by our Indians in Australia somewhere. I'm just taking rest. I'm in a situation. I need more backup funding, armed guards, and dogs to defend this issue. And there are plenty of psycho, sadists, murderers, criminals are here. Vemarpu Murlidhar Rao is a psycho. He is not behalf of me. He's saying behalf of me and entering in some other location. Do not allow them. Kill them. Shoot them on sight. If you watch this person, Vemarpu Murlidhar Rao and Manoj Kumar Bodapudi need to be hanged until they shoot him on sight. Wherever you are seeing the people, they are appearing with some other virtual reality technology. We don't care, and don't leave, don't take anything from my home, and don't enter in my home without identity. I don't want to see anyone hacking my home or my family members. They're changing my geolocation, and they're torturing innocent people, innocent my family members. That's what I'm updating, but I don't want any quarrels here from India. I don't want to see any Indians hurting Indians and targeting, torturing, threatening Indians. Uh, First, I don't want to mention anyone name. I so until it's a proven, it's already proven. That's why I mentioned their names already. I defended this issue, and w- one issue after one issue, they are every day they are doing the same. So I need to what. The way Murlidhar Rao is a psycho. Do not trust the people, and they are not my friends. And Nirmal School totally is hunting people and watching, listening, reading, controlling mind, body, soul from their homes. So their psycho attitude advocates and criminal lawyers from Supreme Court and Common Town is real. Common Town is really haunted. So billionaire or trillionaire doesn't matter. Your reference we don't like. But here is another issue. Don't hurt someone's body. You are not in a power. When you are in power, you need to protect the people. That's what my complaint. I give a complaint to the people who are in power in America. Exactly. I'm not complaining anything in India. Only for formalities 100911. They are abusing me. I need to defend this issue with the best people. That's why more than 510 people defending when we call 100911 Okay. And I updated these messages to protecting myself. And American Indian Hindu community. Oh my God, world's best psychos entered in America since 1997 to till today. These people torturing innocent people who are no, who are taking so rich or billionaire trillionaires references people who are Indian Hindu community who are in Indian Hindu community taking drugs, alcohol, too much alcohol, and exactly they need more power. They are depending upon some other people. Huh? Some other people families when their daily needs or uses we need to chop their heads and hands and remove their eyes first of all, then they never watch, or after that the ears people know what to do. And the lethal injections, gunshot and the laser shot, that one enough to kill the person whoever attacking like a zombie. So you can't find suddenly, but the Google survey and the last geo location what happened we can update this message. But Americans, please kill that Weimar Muralidhar total family members and Kamaraju Sai Kalyan total family members, and someone really need money. Only the people who got money and killing people skills that really know without any weapons they can kill people. They are hacking. Don't come near to me, Mr. Murderers and criminals. We got names and they are watching live. They are saying we got skills. We kill people. They love killing people in front of camera or something. They are ebe. That kind of murders criminals should not enter in my location, making us angry. I'm not a messenger. Once, huh? Kill that Bemavarpu Muralidhar Rao. Million times I update. They are hacking my home. Stop hurting me. And there is a there are Jewish or Antichrist or anti-Hindu or Muslim or SC/ST Lambada people. These the sex offender Manoj Kumar Bodepudi hacking underage girls or underage boys that really don't know what to do even. They are trying to exactly these murderer escaped from India and they are living in Canada somewhere and they are watching, listening in live. MCA and Nageshwar need to be hanged until they push them out from the country and lock that murders and criminals, and do not trust any Indian CBI, CID, any armed guard, something really